Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Netflix. To know how to fix or how to solve your Netflix app, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will enter to the window of Netflix. Here in this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors on your app. And in the end of all these steps, you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.